NVX XCAP10H Review. The hybrid capacitor that ends dimming lights and weak bass. Ever felt stuck watching your headlights flicker every time the bass drops? Frustrated with unreliable capacitors that promise power but leave your system gasping? Overwhelmed by wasted installs, failed tests, and the creeping feeling that your car audio will never hit its true potential? You're not alone. Thousands of enthusiasts have faced the same draining struggle. Deadlines for installs pile up, stress grows unmanageable, and burnout creeps in when your system keeps choking under heavy load. Opportunities for competition wins slip away while your amps starve for power, and you're left chasing fixes that never last. The pain of missing that perfect, clean bass hit becomes unbearable, making every drive feel like wasted potential. That's where the NVX XCAP10H True 10 Farad Hybrid Capacitor storms in, your breakthrough solution for reliable, competition-ready performance. This beast stabilizes voltage, reduces headlight dimming, and ensures your amps unleash clean, consistent power. With a bright blue LED voltage display, you'll monitor performance in real time, while the built-in distribution block simplifies messy wiring. Its hybrid tech blends electrolytic and carbon supercapacitor efficiency for lightning-fast discharge cycles, keeping your bass sharp and punchy. One user recalled blasting through a 3,000-watt demo. When the drop hit, lights stayed bright, amps stayed cool, and the crowd went wild. That's not luck. That's pure NVX engineering. From smoother bass response to reliable long-term durability, the XCAP10H doesn't just help. It transforms your ride into a show-stopping system. The real magic? Benefits you can feel instantly: streamlined power flow, laser-sharp bass, and next-level system stability. Experts call the XCAP10H one of the most advanced stiffening capacitors available, with hybrid design delivering discharge rates that blow traditional models out of the water. Influencers rave. The built-in distribution block makes wiring cleaner than ever, and the digital readout? Game changer. Analysts highlight its low ESR for efficient energy transfer and 5,000-watt discharge capability, perfect for hungry amplifiers and subwoofers. And users? They're ecstatic. No more dimming lights. Bass hits harder. Sound stays consistent at high volumes. Another swears, "My amp runs cooler, cleaner, and tighter than ever before." Every review echoes the same truth. This isn't just a capacitor, it's a performance upgrade. So, what happens when your system stops choking and starts thriving? Imagine the clarity, the punch, the confidence every time you turn the key. Curious? Thousands already know. Don't wait. Limited stock won't last. Secure yours today and join thousands of audio enthusiasts who've already leveled up. Why risk distortion, burnout, and wasted potential when the solution is right here? Act now. Don't miss the chance to keep your lights bright, your amps cool, and your bass bumping. This is your moment. Seize it, own it, and let the NVX XCAP10H power your victory.